Today we are offering you the very latest mortgage rates update for the NC Triangle area. Hi, I'm here on behalf of Rich Cook of NorthGroup Real Estate. Laura Voss of Primis Mortgage is Rich's go-to lender who can assist with your mortgage needs. First up is the 30-year conforming mortgage is 6.870% trending downward. That's good news. Secondly, the 30-year VA loan is 6.380% per the Veterans United Home Loans. Next is the 30-year jumbo loan, trending up a bit at 7.149%. Fourth is the 30-year USDA loan, also trending up a bit at 6.692%. The 30-year FHA loan, which are typically close to the conforming rates, is at 6.695%. The 15-year conforming mortgage has ticked up a bit at 6.385%. Keep in mind that there are ways to secure lower rates. For instance, consider a home equity line of credit and reduce your down payment. Utilize first-time homebuyer programs. Choose a low loan-to-value ratio. Increase your down payment, pay points up front, or lock in your rate. These are some examples, so be sure to engage Laura and have those conversations. The key takeaway is, even with higher interest rates, owning a home allows you to build equity, benefit from appreciation, and enjoy long-term financial stability with tax benefits. Rich will be bringing you more NC Triangle insights, so if you found value here, please hit the like button and subscribe for future updates. Many thanks.